Hey, what's going on, guys? So we recently moved out way outside of the city, and we were looking for internet options out here. It turns out that there's not many at all, nothing over the line. So we had to pretty much resort to satellite internets, and Starlink was pretty much going to be our best option. Um, so yeah, today I just filmed a quick breakdown of how we installed our Starlink up onto the roof with like a non-penetrating platform. Starlink does sell their own version of the roof mount, but it does cost like 150 bucks for get the exact total for this build, but it was around 100 bucks and it was super simple to do. Yeah, let's get right into it.